Linis-linis.
There's a hole in the grass.
Ha?
There's a hole in the grass.
Paul? This is what you call couple ground. You need more. Yan ang asawa, sipag-sipag si. After winter, nakapag-mode na din na kami ng aming harapan. Oh, there's some more here. Ah, there's some more there. Poop. Hello, kapitbahay. Nakapaglinis na kasi yung kapitbahay namin, kami na lang. This one, go back. Oh. I didn't realize I thought it's just a scratch. But it's bleeding.
Thorns.
Yeah. Sipag-sipag ng asawa ko. Oh. Guys, may tanong lang ako. Bakit nung winter wala akong nakikitang linta? Ngayon may mga linta ulit. Saan ba nagtago tong mga to during winter? Ha? Wala akong nakita kahit isang linta nung winter. Ngayon at pa-summer na, andito na naman sila para kumain ng mga halaman ko. Saan ba sila nagtago?
And then as it warms up, as it starts to warm up, they come out.
And they're really fat. Guys, mga pets ko. One. Meron pa dito. I said no, my pets. Two, don't step the snails. Two. No. Oh, where's the other one? Oh. Three. But I hate them. Yeah, finally someone cut the tree. Right, gonna say right. Right? Oh, yeah. This way, below.
No.
I just use gloves in case.
Take it back. Take it this side.
This way. Yeah, oh, this way.
I think this way out of the tree was.
Yeah.
You don't go that way.
I know. You have to side rope in here. That's why the compound in here, because it's rope. It's all that in that side.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, maganda na. Yeah, I need to cut on top so that you can, it won't emphasize this part is like smaller and the back is big. You need to cut that one.
Oh yeah. But
Yeah, but the
That
round,
needs- yeah,
the
but-
round is okay now.
yeah, but it needs to go back.
Yeah.
So
It's
still
okay now.
needs a lot more cutting off the side, yeah?
Yeah, I guess so. But I don't think so if you can form any already like that.
Yeah, it will. It will go back.
Panahon makisama ka. Parang uulan na. Let my husband finish first.
Better.
Medyo tapos na. Let me see. Yeah, I think so. A little bit more in here, honey.
Hang on a minute.
Yeah. In your back. A little bit back of the seesaw. I mean the cutter. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's okay now. And then the top, a little bit there, the top. So that it will even.
Huh?
Just a little bit on that one. Have a go. Oh, this more is much easier.
Huh?
It's much more easier.
Oh yeah, it's bigger, isn't it?
Ooh. I don't know what name of this plant. The flower is nice though. It's purple. But the thing is, there's so much easy to grow. Okay, ready to me. They're ready to do it already. What they did is they went today to computer shop is scan. Because shop said they will need to copy it because you need some signature.
Yeah.
And then I said I will for tomorrow so that I can use the training.
So that and bring it.
Yeah. So much fruits. Oh.
Bring it to the bottom.
Yeah. So, ito na, diba? And then put it back. No, it's too long.
Huh?
The rod is too long. Oh. Malapit. Oh. SPG, malapit na namin matapos ang aming garden. Can we do at the backyard, Dida? Or next time? There. Ah! Don't!
Slow worm.
A snake! I said it's
It's
not.
a slow worm.
No, it's big.
Yes, a slow worm.
No, it's snake.
That's a slow worm.
Hindi daw snake yan, guys. It's a worm. May worm bang ganyan? See? Ah!
Peter,